And of course, we know that while the Nelson Mandela Bay municipality is a declared hotspot and will be subjected to a stricter curfew and alcohol trading rules, there is still serious concern about the garden route in the Western Cape. It has not as yet been declared a hotspot area, but it is going to be inspected and it might still happen. So great concern. Almost 3/4 of the Western Cape's COVID-19 cases outside the metro are along the garden route. Hospitals there are under severe pressure, with 98 healthcare workers currently ill with the virus. George, which has the most cases outside Cape Town, has closed its public areas and cancelled sports events as a safety measure. Tourism in the region has suffered enormous economic losses, and the sector is urging holidaymakers not to cancel their plans. Nadine Theron reports.
This clinic is one of many facilities closed in George due to coronavirus cases.
The case numbers we are seeing now are higher than what we have seen during the first wave of infections earlier this year. And most concerning is the increase in the number of people being hospitalized with the virus and the steady increase in the number of deaths.
Tsembaletu on the outskirts of town is the biggest hotspot.
When we see others don't wear masks, we feel very scared because one of our families have got that coronavirus.
My biggest worry is a lack of masks and the lack of social distancing, and when, of course, when people have COVID-19, the isolation, because it's not really possible.
George Airport is the only one in the country where healthcare workers screen all departing passengers, and they will stay at their post throughout December. Around 2,500 passengers are expected to land here on Sunday. Guest houses and hotels are overwhelmed by calls from worried tourists wanting to cancel their holidays. But the Premier of the Western Cape, Alan Windy, says tourists are welcome to visit the area, providing they adhere to COVID-19 safety protocols.
We plan on keeping the airport open because we've taken all the necessary precautions.
The municipality hopes holidaymakers will help boost the economy of the region following the loss of foreign tourism.
Some staff have lost their jobs, but now more than anybody, if people don't come, it's those same staff that will suffer.
Visitors are encouraged to enjoy the safe outdoor activities the garden route offers. Nadine Theron, George.